Welcome to Pydle Day 62. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is the Greek beta letter, so have a go at solving that. If you haven't played Pydle before, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle and you will be able to learn how to play Pydle. Okay, so yesterday's Pydle was the Greek kappa letter. So let's use Cartesian coordinates. So you can see those diagonals is going to have the property of x equals y or x equals minus y, and then there's a bit of symmetry going on there. Okay, so let's do for x in range not 5 minus 2 comma 3 for y in range minus 2 3. Okay, so what we've got when x equals minus 2, let's do that. Pydle x plus 2, 2 minus y. That's just to convert the Cartesian coordinates back into Pydle coordinates. Not doing any characters, and we're going to do green. So we're going to slowly build up the image. That's that one done. Okay, let's do the two kind of diagonals. Okay, so I'm going to say or x equals absolute value of y. And that's going to be true for those pixels. And then we've got one more green pixel. And that one, we will just need to compare both x and y. And the easiest way to do that is with a tuple. Okay, and that's going to be minus 1, comma 0. So x there is minus 1 and y is 0. Oops, I did not do that correctly. There's a missing comma. So that's the whole Greek letter. And now we just have to do an else for the yellows. Okay. That's our Pydle done. And have a look at today's Pydle and see if you can solve that. I'll see you again tomorrow.